I am here in my 12 market to condole and commiserate with our brothers and sisters who are doing business here in mile 12. I'm sure you all remember that on 3rd of March this year, there was an incident around this area. Unfortunately, many people were arrested, including members of this market, who are over 340. They are all detained. We have worked so hard over this month to ensure that everybody gained freedom. I'm happy to say that only 71 are still in detention as I am speaking now. And even those 71 who are told the conditions for their bail, and the condition, among others, was a payment of 65,000 naira. We negotiated, decided to pay. We have paid the money, and now they are in the process of ensuring that all of them are released on bail. People from the northern part of the country have been in Lagos, especially this market, for many, many years, about 4 decades now, and they are doing their businesses. And we are very happy, just like we have so many other people from the southern part of Nigeria, especially from Lagos, who are in Kano, who are in Sokoto, who are in Maiduguri. They are all over the country doing their legitimate businesses. And we will continue to support them. We will continue to ensure that they succeed. Let me, at this point, also appeal to the government, especially the governor of Lagos State, to emulate what has been happening in the last decades, especially if I may speak of the recent developments during the days of my brother, my friend and leader of APC at national level, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and his successor, Fashola. We have been working together with them as brothers. We have been working together to ensure peace here and also to ensure peace on the other side of the country. Now I want him to emulate that, especially in the context of issue of moving the people of this market to a remote area, remote part of Lagos. I remember, going by history, this market about 40 years ago was just like a bush. It was just like a forest. Our people, both from the north and this part of the country, worked so hard to ensure that this market was a success, just as we are seeing it today. For any governor, in my opinion, to come now and say, look, I am moving you to another bush after 40 years, probably with no compensation, no nothing, I don't believe that is a fair deal.
Kasuwa tamu ta mile 12 da take wannan gari na Lagos. Ko na yi farin ciki da na zo na tarar da matasa, ko na sani ba don aikace-aikace ba ƙarshenta nan kowa da jan hularsa. Abu na farko shine matasanmu waɗanda aka kama. Gwamnatin jihar Lagos tana tunanin ta ɗauke wannan kasuwa daga wannan guri. Mun aika musu da bayani kuma za mu gaya musu baka da baka cewar ba ma goyon bayan ɗauke kasuwa. Akwai waɗanda suke so su zo mu ɓata wannan jama'iyya wataƙila daga nan Lagos. A nan yake da kira a gare ku matasa da ku ci gaba da harkokinku na neman halaliyar. sai dai ko shakka babu ba za mu ba hakkin ku ya makale ba ko da sarrafa fito da tsari mai kyau a wannan jiha da dukkanin jihar da take a wannan ƙasa ta mu Najeriya. Wanda haka muna gode muku kwarai ko muna gode wa dukkanin al'ummar da suke kasuwan nan da ma waɗanda ba 'yan arewa ba waɗanda suke kasuwanci a wannan kasuwa ta